How to find routing number on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can locate or find your routing number on Cash App. So in order to locate or find your routing number on Cash App, first of all, log in into your Cash App account. Then it's going to direct you to the home page. While you're on the home page, click the dollar icon located in the bottom left hand side corner. Next, you'll be able to see your options such as this. So over here, scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see your account and routing number as well, but it won't be displayed. So go ahead and tap on get account number in order to display it. After that, it's going to go ahead and ask you to enable all sort of permissions. So click on enable account in order to allow the permission. Then you'll be able to see your routing or account number. You can either copy the following information by tapping on copy account details. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to find two different options, that is either to copy your routing number or to copy your account number. So click the copy button and then paste in where you actually need it. So that's how you can find routing number on Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.